In America, we are preparing to celebrate Thanksgiving Day. It is, without a doubt, my most favorite holiday, primarily because it's the least commercialized. Unfortunately, if you go into the stores, even though we haven't come to Thanksgiving yet, it's filled full of Christmas. But I pray that you are going to celebrate Thanksgiving in some way. For you and for many people, it is a difficult holiday. You are not near people you love, or you're missing someone that is no longer with you. But I think about Psalm 34:8 says, "Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him." I hope you'll be tasting some good things today, even if it's just, if you're alone, going to a homeless shelter and volunteering and tasting the love that God has for all of his people. But I also pray that you will take refuge in him, knowing that he has given us so many good gifts. In fact, the most critical gift of all is this breath of life, that we have another day to do more, to love him more, to show his love more to other people. So I pray that you can find a way to make this Thanksgiving a very blessed day for someone around you. Happy Thanksgiving.